But now with the India-EU FTA, that could be actually troubles brewing for Sula because it could sharply cut duties on European wines. This move will actually probably reshape the premium market where Sula makes most of its money. Competition is set to intensify, and the hit comes at a time when earnings are already under pressure. Though the stock is at the day's highest levels right now, but let me head across to my colleague Riddhima, who joins us with the full breakdown of what that impact could actually look like. Riddhima, what do you have for us?
So Sula Vineyards could see a disruption after EU FTA comes in place because the tariffs will be slashed from 150% to 75% on entry, and further 20 to 30% reduction could be seen. Now, how big is the wine market? So right now, Sula Vineyards has 40% of the market share of total 1,500 crore of wine market, and 80% of its business comes from premium category, which is priced around 750 to 2,100 rupees. Now, if we talk about imported wines, through our channel check, we found out that there are about 45 wines, imported wines, which are being sold in Mumbai, and the price range for these are 7 wines are wines under 2,000 rupees, which are direct competition for Sula, and 21 wines are between 2,000 to 3,000, and the most premium wine is around 39,000 rupees. Now, after FTA comes in place, 30% of the prices will be slashed for these wines. So now 24 wines will be under 2,000 rupees, and rest will be more than that. And if you talk about performance of Sula Vineyards over the few quarters, in terms of revenue, the revenue has been dipping for 3 straight quarters, and also the net profit. In Q1, it was down by 87%, similarly down 58% for Q2, and Q3 64%. But Sula Vineyards says that it will combat the situation by distributing these imported wines, and it has already collaborated with 2 such French wines, and around 2 to 2.5% of its revenue is currently coming from these distributions. Now the question is that how will Sula Vineyard further distribute these wines and incur profit, and also an eye has to be kept on the consumers, that how they react to such imported wines coming in the market.
Okay, so that's with regards to Sula Vineyards. There could be some impact that could be coming in. Tapan, your view when it comes to Sula Vineyards, because last couple of quarters have already been weak for this counter. Today, though, the stock is up. The FTA with EU probably will put further pressure in the premium category.
Yeah, I do agree with because if you see the stock is not performing even now. If you see the last EBITDA margin was 23%, which is down overall by almost, you can say, 200 BPS point. Even the wine demand is slowing down gradually. If you see the ad spend is quite high, maybe around 30 odd crores. Excise duty regulatory risk is always there. We know that whenever some state want, they can change the regulation. It will also have an impact. Again, the problem is the working capital is on elevated. So that is what is bringing the interest cost on a higher side. Again, the seasonal sales volatility is there. And what you told, now the competition is coming from outside also. So all this is not actually favoring Sula Vineyard. And I think still this company will be in a pressure. So better it will be an avoid from my side.
Avoid in terms of Sula Vineyards. That's the word coming in. But thank you, Tapan.